Well, calling all business owners this morning, whether you are just starting up, whether you have an established business, you know if you are not involved in social media these days, if you don't have a sizzling hot website, you are just leaving money on the table and customers are never even going to know you exist. So let's remedy that right now and get you on the road to success here with Tony Lee Adamson from Media for Women here once again this morning. And I'll also introduce you to David and Kimberly Shaw from Pacific Sands Real Estate. Your business has been around for a long time. We're talking about a well-established business here. How many years?
Over 35 years.
And you do business primarily where?
Cardiff.
Up in Cardiff. So you're well known in Cardiff. Everybody knows you too. They know your business. They trust you. But you kind of were feeling left out? Is that what was going on?
Yeah, I felt like our online presence just wasn't what it needed to be. And as far as social media, we really didn't have a program for that.
Okay, so enter Tony Lee Adamson, Media for Women, business in a box. Mm-hmm. Okay, people hear this and they think, oh, come on. You know, it's got to be some little Band-Aid thing that we put on, you know. You do everything with business in a box for social media. You launch businesses from this. You help establish businesses. What's included?
Right. If a client has an idea or even a business like the Shaws, I mean, they are really well known in Cardiff as real estate agents. But they came in and their website wasn't really up to par. They came in and they knew that they needed to go the next step. What's going to set you apart is your online presence before anybody meets you. So they came in and we showed them Business in a Box, which is right on our website. We even have the price and everything that's included.
See, it sounds so cute. Business in a box. That was my point.
Yeah.
It sounds so cute. Business in a box. It is so comprehensive that I think people are going to be stunned when they see what all you offer in this.
Right. And it's listed on the website, but it's a video, it's business cards, it's the website with almost unlimited pages. I mean, at least up to 20 pages.
And I know when you meet with people during your free consultations that you're still offering, which is also amazing to me, because I know how busy you are, but people can call for a free consultation. One of the things I know that you'll mention to them is on their website, it needs to have some video.
It does.
Well, most people say, well, that's a whole different project. How in the world would I do that? How much is that going to cost me? It's included with Business in a Box.
It's included, yes.
Well, tell me about what your experience was then. I mean, you come to Tony Lee, you buy Business in a Box, and we'll talk about the price in a second. That's what's going to blow you away when you realize how little this actually is going to cost you. The experience was what?
It was absolutely a positive experience. Our website was, like Tony Lee said, not up to par, and now it is a beautiful website. It really explains what we do in Cardiff, and it allows our customers to search the MLS and look for properties and know what Pacific Sands is all about.
Now, David, I see the website here, and we're showing it to everybody on screen right now. And clean and crisp is one of the things that comes to mind here. I mean, I can get on here and I can find anything. Are you finding that folks that were not even previously exposed to you are now finding you thanks to your website?
I think so. We've noticed there's been quite a few hits on it. And we've only been up for 30 days, so that's a good thing.
Now, one of the things I know Tony Lee is so good at Media for Women, it's not enough just to have a website. You have to be able to get people directed to your website. So when you set this up, let's say somebody is in Florida and they're going to move to Cardiff. They don't know Pacific Sands Real Estate. I mean, they've never lived here before. So they start searching. You make sure that when they search, they hit their website.
Right.
That's an art in and of itself.
Well, we keep the price low in Business in a Box because we really want them to market. Because just because you build it doesn't mean anybody's going to see it. Right. You have to be proactive. So they're actually becoming marketing clients now, too.
Okay, so this is, folks, let me just give you the price now, and so that you can start to digest this before we finish this up. It's $24.95. It's under $2,500 to get everything set up, to be up and running, and to have it completed. Now, did you do a little shopping, or have you had at least had some dollar figures in mind as to how much some of these things you thought were going to cost you?
I had spoken to somebody who was quoted $8,000 just to do their website.
Just to do the website?
Just to do the website.
And this is so much more than the website.
Yeah, the whole package.
Well, how is business now? I mean, this is a really competitive time in real estate. I mean, we know the market has really gone through some struggles. but you've been in it for the long haul now, for over 35 years. Is this kind of helping you survive during this time, or is it helping you thrive?
I would hope that it helps us thrive.
That's what we want to hear.
You know, Cardiff is a great place, so this should help us.
All right, it's business in a box, and let me just tell you, folks, it is $24.95 right now, but this will be the last time you offered it that, because you were saying, did we update the website yet? No, not yet. Okay, we'll offer it one last time at this price, but the price is going to go up. So act today, get in touch with Media for Women, and get started right now. Don't wait any longer. Like I said, you're leaving money on the table if you don't do it right now. And don't forget the free consultations. The number's on your screen. If you're uncertain about anything, call Media for Women. Go in and get a free consultation, no obligation whatsoever, and get your questions answered, and then get on with it. Guys, great to see you. Continued success, and I like to hear that. Thriving in a tough real estate market, not just surviving. There's another slogan in there.
You're right.
All right. Thanks again so much. If you need any more information, you go to san diego6.com and you just click on San Diego Living.